Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be your guide to the future of script writing, the top 5 script writing tools in 2023. Whether you're crafting compelling fiction, informative nonfiction, or gripping screenplays, these AI-powered tools are here to revolutionize your writing game. But before we start, we have some fantastic information to share with you that could truly change your life. But first, let's connect on Instagram to stay updated on all the incredible opportunities we're about to unveil. You'll find the link in the bio. Alright, now let's dive into some exciting news. Are you ready to supercharge your skills in digital marketing, blockchain, finance mastery, or social media marketing? If so, we've got something remarkable for you. We've discovered an extraordinary e-learning platform that's going to help you take your offline business online or turbocharge your online business to achieve financial freedom. They offer top-notch courses in all the hottest topics, and guess what? You can master these skills and grow on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. To get all the juicy details about this life-changing e-learning platform, just hop over to my Instagram account, and you'll find all the information you need right there in the bio. Let's continue with the top 5 script writing tools. First up, we have the scriptwriting wizard, Jasper AI. Powered by the formidable GPT-3 language model, Jasper can conjure up high-quality scripts across various genres with ease. It even boasts nifty features like character creation, dynamic dialogue generation, and seamless scene integration. Say goodbye to writer's block. Next in the spotlight is Sudowrite, tailor-made for screenwriters. Sudowrite is your creative partner, offering brainstorming assistance, character development tools, and a built-in grammar checker. Crafting captivating dialogues has never been this effortless. Lights, camera, Sudowrite. If you're watching your budget, don't worry, we've got you covered with Writesonic. This cost-effective iGen provides script generation, outlines, and dialogue creation. Plus, it offers a free plan so you can test its capabilities without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. We've also got an exclusive opportunity for you. How does working from home for just 1 to 2 hours a day sound? And the best part? It's a government-registered platform with weekly payments. To explore this incredible online work opportunity, you know where to find me, on Instagram, with the link in the bio. Now, let's talk about Rytr, another budget-friendly scriptwriting tool. Rytr can help you craft scripts, outlines, and dialogues effortlessly. Just like Writesonic, it offers a free plan to get you started. Last but not least, we have ContentBot. What sets ContentBot apart is its multilingual prowess, supporting over 100 languages. Whether you're scripting in English, Spanish, or Swahili, ContentBot has got you covered. It's your global scriptwriting companion. And there you have it, the top 5 script writing tools in 2023. With these powerful tools at your disposal, writer's block is a thing of the past. Choose the one that suits your needs and start creating captivating scripts effortlessly. So, there you have it, folks, the keys to unlocking your online success. From boosting your skills with our incredible e-learning platform to discovering a flexible, home-based work opportunity, it's all within your reach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing opportunities like these. And, of course, connect with me on Instagram for all the details. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, the journey to online success starts right here, right now. See you in the next video.